Linking your IC Systems account to your IC Exchange account is quick and easy. If you have qualifying software products in your IC Systems account, linking these two accounts unlocks the full functionality of Stella Professional Online, which is hosted on the IC Exchange. There are two ways to link these accounts. Once you've signed into your IC Systems account, hover over My Account and select My Profile. Scroll down the page until you see the paragraph on the IC Exchange. Select this link and it will take you to a page that will ask you to input your IC Exchange credentials and then link the accounts. If you have qualifying software products in your account already, you can also go to My Account and select My Products. You will see just below the registration number, Activate Stella Professional Online. Select this link and it will take you to the same page asking you to input your IC Exchange credentials. Once you've put in these credentials, you can link the accounts. The next time you sign in to the IC Exchange, you will see that you now have full access to Stella Professional Online.